Hi, hello, welcome to Manama India AtoZchannel. Today recipe is green gram recipe. Parippu curry. Put a frying pan to the stove, flame on. Then add 200 gram green gram. Roast the green gram medium flame. Light color change of the flame. 15 minutes later, wash well with pure water. Then take a pressure cooker. Put all green gram, then 2 glass water. Add it in close, then wait for cook. Grated coconut 2 spoon, cumin seeds 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, like 5 pieces, curry leaves. Put a pan to the stove, high flame. Then add grated coconut 2 spoon. Then roast medium flame. Light color change. Add the garlic. Cumin seeds. Add, then mix it well. Roast low flame. Then add turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, curry leaves. Then roast with this medium flame. Off the flame. Put all items in a mixie jar. Then add water. 250 ml water add. Then add cooked green gram. Then add 2 glass water. Then grind. Put a cooking vessel to the stove. 2 spoons pure cow ghee. Then add chopped onions, curry leaves. Small color change. Add grinded batter. Add salt. Then mix it well. Then the top layer add coriander leaves. Low flame. Close the vessel. Flame off. After 15 minutes, change a serving bowl. The very tasty and delicious green gram recipe is ready. Eat the curry with rice or chapati. Thank you for watching.